Imagine owning your very own online course selling platform like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare, all without paying a single dime to developers or creating a single course yourself. No coding, no designing, no hiring expensive freelancers. Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% possible, and I'm about to show you how. You see, the e-learning industry is exploding. Experts say it's going to hit $400 billion this year alone, and it's growing every single day. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable are making millions by letting people create and sell courses online. But here's the ugly truth. If you want to join this booming market, you only got a few painful options, until now. Option 1, hire developers and designers to build a custom course selling site that's going to cost you $5,000 to $10,000, take months to complete, and still be full of technical headaches. Option 2, sell your courses on someone else's platform like Udemy. Sounds great? Think again. You'll have to compete with tens of thousands of other courses and give up 50 to 70% of your profits and fees. Option 3, spend months creating your own course, writing scripts, recording videos, editing content before you can even sell your first lesson. Let's be honest, that's exhausting, time-consuming, and downright frustrating. But what if I told you there's a smarter, faster, and easier way? Introducing CourseBeast AI, the world's first AI-powered platform that lets you launch your very own Udemy-like e-learning site in minutes, fill it with 100% unique AI-created courses instantly, and start collecting payments on complete autopilot. It only takes 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into your CourseBeast AI dashboard. Step 2, create your Udemy-like e-learning platform. Step 3, publish your courses, start selling, and keep 100% of the profits. Your brand new course is ready to sell in just seconds. You can even create an entire e-learning platform, add multiple courses, and charge students any price you want. It's like having a team of expert instructors, scriptwriters, designers, and video editors working for you 24/7 without paying them a single penny. And the best part, CourseBeast AI works for everyone. No matter who you are or what you do, whether you're a beginner or a pro, it works for anyone. YouTubers, influencers, teachers and educators, digital marketers, entrepreneurs and business owners, coaches and consultants, content creators and writers, freelancers and agencies, affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, product creators, course sellers. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced instructor, CourseBeast AI puts the power of building, managing, and selling profitable online courses right at your fingertips with zero tech skills needed. CourseBeast AI isn't just another app. It's a complete done-for-you business in a box, creating stunning courses in any niche: business, health, fitness, technology, lifestyle, and more. Build your own branded e-learning platform, just like Udemy, but with your name and your profits. Accept payments instantly. Integrate PayPal, Stripe, or any gateway of your choice. Built-in coupon management. Easily create, manage, and track discount coupons to boost sales and attract more customers. Built-in student management. Manage enrollments, track progress, and automate everything. SEO optimized and mobile friendly. Rank on Google and attract organic traffic. Commercial license included. Sell courses to clients and keep 100% profits. One-time payment, lifetime access. Pay once and use forever. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just pure creative freedom. And guess what? You could do all of this without writing a single word, recording a single video, or hiring a single freelancer. Still wondering if this works? Let me show you real proof. Platforms like Udemy are making billions every single year. Creators like Rob Percival make over $1 million teaching coding online. Jose Portilla earned 6 figures teaching Python, and there are thousands more success stories. And today, you can start your own success story with CourseBeast AI without the struggles they faced. With CourseBeast AI, you're not just buying an app. You're getting an entire business that you can make passive income for years to come, and it gets even better. When you grab CourseBeast AI today, you'll also unlock exclusive launch bonuses worth $2,485 absolutely free. These bonuses are designed to help you launch your e-learning platform faster. But hurry, these bonuses are available for a limited time only. Once this offer expires, they'll be gone forever, so don't miss out. Don't let this life-changing opportunity slip through your fingers. This exclusive deal won't last forever. Once the timer hits 0, CourseBeast AI will switch to monthly pricing and all bonuses will disappear. So, if you're serious about tapping into the $400+ billion e-learning industry, now is the time to act. Join thousands of smart entrepreneurs, coaches, and course creators who are already profiting with e-learning industry. Still on the fence? No problem. CourseBeast AI comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied or simply change your mind, we'll refund every penny back to you. But hurry, spots are filling up fast, and once this launch special is gone, it's gone for good. Click the button below to grab your copy of CourseBeast AI and unlock the easiest way to create, publish, and profit from online courses, powered entirely by AI. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get instant access to CourseBeast AI right now, before the price goes up forever. Your e-learning empire starts today. Don't let this opportunity slip away, because every second you wait, someone else is creating their platform and cashing in. Today is your chance to grab CourseBeast AI at the lowest price ever. Click the button below and start building your online course business today. We'll see you inside.